Hey guys, we are coming at you live today from Toyota's production facility in Indiana. This is where they build the Camry, the Grand Highlander, the Sienna, and even the Lexus TX. We're gonna go inside and see the actual production line and get to know this facility a little better, so stay tuned.
Thread and spec. Anybody know why I do it separately? Numbers and that stuff. First, plus minus, right? Real good. Over here is recording what's happening in the environment. But we didn't want to. We wanted to make sure somebody's in the skill line.
What can you do to stop it? So we were already talking about those bolts being tightened.
They got a manufacturer